Ever wonder what really works for tired, hollow under eyes? If you're tired of, well, looking tired, this one's for you. Today, I want to walk you through a treatment that can stimulate your own collagen, smooth out your hollowness, and brighten your under eye area. We're talking about PRF. So first, what is PRF? PRF stands for Platelet-Rich Fibrin. PRF is a regenerative treatment. So what we have is our patients come in, we're always going to do a full facial consultation. Those interested in it, we start by drawing your own blood. We spin this in your centrifuge to separate the fibrin and growth factors, and then we use this to re-inject in the concerned area to stimulate your body's own collagen, smooth out any areas of concern, help with crepiness, and kind of brighten the under eye area. This patient came to me, main concerns being her under eye area. She just feels like she has a lot of hollowness. Her under eyes are very dark. She complained of always feeling like she looked tired in any photos that she took. This patient was aware that she was a surgical candidate. She has met with one of our plastic surgeons previously, but at this time, just due to downtime, she wanted something more non-invasive, not surgical, to where she could kind of just leave and go to work the next day. This is something that's a great alternative for patients who are thinking of surgery versus non-surgery. So with PRF injectables, most patients experience minimal bruising or swelling for just a day or two, but most patients can resume work the next day. We typically recommend 3 to 6 treatments at our office, usually spaced out about 1 month apart. So this specific patient that you saw in the video still has several treatments left. I think she had done about 1 to 2 at this point, but even just seeing the results that she's had after 1 treatment is incredible. So what are some of the main benefits of PRF for the under eye area? It's going to create a brighter appearance for your under eye so you look less tired. A lot of people commonly complain about crepiness under eye and makeup setting that. So it's going to smooth out the skin underneath the eye and make it look more taut and tight. It's going to naturally restore your body's own volume so you feel less hollow over time. And another benefit is that there's not going to be any migration of filler because we're using your body's own natural product. If you're interested in seeing more success stories like these, or wondering if you might be a good candidate, tap that subscribe button and feel free to reach out through the link in the description. We're always happy to chat and see if this treatment would be a good fit for you. See you guys next time.